One, when you default in your loans, when you have a credit facility that you're defaulting on. Now, they don't just report loans that are being granted to these credit bureaus, they report default too. So if you don't pay for the first month, they will report it. If you don't pay for the second month, they will report it. If they report you to the credit bureau as defaulting, when you go to another organization to collect loan, they already see you as a only basic. I beg for my language. When you go to another organization to take loan, and they check and they see that you are owing company A, company B, it means you're a debtor. What's the likelihood that when they give you loan, you will not owe them? You see? So make sure you pay your loans on time, effectively. As a matter of fact, if you have money in your account, if the contract says they are to deduct from your account, whichever account you made available, and you have money in it, and as at the due date of deduction, they've not deducted it, make sure, cry out, don't just keep quiet, because some systems are automatically set to report. The moment there's a default, the system will automatically just report you to collate your name as part of the list schedule they are to send to credit bureau as defaulters that have defaulted for either 30 days or 60 days or 90 days. So make sure you cry out. Secondly, stop multi-borrowing. Stop borrowing rapidly. You just applied here, whether they give you or not, you have applied here, so you are multi-applying. That also reduces your credit score. It's not good at all. So try and make sure that you don't borrow unnecessarily. Another way to make sure that your credit score is good or excellent position is that for those of us that are using credit card with banks, ensure you use it according to the laid down principles. There are amounts you're not supposed to exceed daily. There are amounts you're not supposed to exceed weekly expenses on that credit card. There are amounts you're not supposed to exceed at the end of every month. Don't exceed it, because when you exceed it, it's showing that you are not disciplined with expenses. You're not disciplined with money. So it affects your credit score as well. So these are three major areas that you can work on that will help you ensure that you have a good credit rating. Now, some of the advantages of having a good credit score is that when you have a good credit score, you have the opportunity of negotiating the interest you are getting on any loan from any institution, majorly banks. So because you are credit worthy, they can give you credit and they are sure you will pay back. What that means is you are a low risk customer. Now, when you're a low risk customer, the probability of you getting good high amount of loans from financial institution is very, very high. But when you're a high risk customer, when your credit score is from 619 below down to 300, you will definitely not be able to get credit. Or even if you get, you're a high risk customer, they will want to shoot the interest rate very high for you. Because what it means is they are giving you loan, they are taking a lot of risk giving you loan. And if they take that risk, the probability of you not paying back, and they will have to incur other expenses trying to get that money. And in the long run, if they don't get it after 6 years, the money is written off, is gone forever. So the risk is very high. So they will want to give you a high interest, so that when you pay that high interest, whichever way it comes out, they can use that interest to be able to cover up part of whatever it is that they are losing. And if you end up paying the loan fully, you are the one that have put yourself in that position of getting a loan at a very high interest rate. So these are just some of the points. There are a lot, but for the sake of this video, these are some of the points that I'll touch to make sure that you understand what it means to have a good credit score. Ensure your credit ratings are absolutely excellent, so that you will enjoy a lot of benefits that comes with having a good credit score. I can tell you, even your tenants, when they are giving out house rent, a tenant has the right to get your credit score, because not everybody that have access to your credit score. A tenant have the right, as a lawyer, can order for your credit score. Just as I mentioned earlier, insurance company, your employer can request for your credit score. Financial institutions, banks, cooperative society, they can order for your and get access to your credit score, because the purpose for which they are requesting it is very meaningful. Okay, so now finally, I want you to know that as an individual, a Nigerian, you're entitled to one free credit search every month. You're entitled to one free credit search every month. Okay, you can go to my comment section. I'll drop one of the credit bureau sites, the link to one of the credit bureau sites, where you can go put the necessary details that you need to put there, your BVN and what have you. You have to provide your BVN, because this has to do with your financial history. So, but it's a credible site, so you have nothing to worry about. Put your details there and they'll make your credit search results available to you. You can see your scores and all the organization you're owing, and if not, and some of you might have even taken loan. You don't even know you're owing one or two organizations. You think the money is gone. Go and conduct this search. You have one free for the month. And by the time you conduct this search, you'll be shocked to see that your names are on the credit bureaus. All right. Now you're educated. Make sure you do like, share, and comment on our video, so that we can educate as much people as we can reach out to. Your favorite loan doctor, Adekunle. See you in my next video. Bye.